Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about an ultimate Android launcher like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So download the Muse Launcher Themes app from the Play Store first, and you can get this exact theme setup on your mobile phone by using some option. In the top, you can find a super gradient clock widget theme, and followed by some application. In the bottom, you can find a dark ball, and it have some applications. It look like iOS chair, and the second page followed by the YouTube search widget with the same gradient themes. So you can find some applications and also the followed by the same theme, and you can just change the background if you just need it. And in the next page, you just click on the setting option and you just go to the theme section. And here, just swipe down, you can find this exact theme setup on the theme number 20. Just click on the apply theme. Your phone has been ready, and you have more options like change the font size and other options like widgets, everything on the settings. And the third page, you can find a music player, the gradient widget of music player. In the fourth page, you can find all the application which was categorized as a folders. And if you like this video, subscribe for more content like this. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.